Hey guys, it's Audrey McDonald from songsfromasuitcase.com, and I'm here to teach you about body posture. Oh yeah. Body posture is actually really important when it comes to singing because it helps support the sound that you're making when you're singing. So the first thing you want to do is put all of your weight into your feet. Kind of fan out your toes and feel all of your energy post all the way down there. Then the next thing I want you to do, and I actually do want you to do it, is ride a horse. So you're going to put your hands out like you're going to ride a horse, and then I want you to actually ride that horse. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. What happens the moment that you go into this position is your butt tucks in, your abs tuck up, and your weight goes into the front of your thighs. Then just stand up with that butt tucked in and the weight facing down. The last thing you want to do is roll those shoulders up, back, and down. But you're not crazy at attention singing. So just having them up, back, and relaxed. Weight into the heels of your feet, body posture down. We're ready to rock. This is Audrey McDonald from Songs from a Suitcase. If you like this movie, this video, whatever this is, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe, check us out. We're traveling all over the world, and I will see you in the next song. La, la, la.
So you want to sing better, huh? Get the same warm-ups I use every day. They're super simple and crazy effective. Oh, and they're free. Just go to freewarmups.com.